Hello viewers, a new sale will be started from 7th of November by the name Super Value Week Sale. Many users are actually asking me when they will get good offers on tablets. So in this sale you may get deals on tablets, but it is not sure whether you will get the best deals or not, because next month Christmas sale will arrive and in that sale you will get the best discount. If you are planning to buy iPad 11th generation during Super Value Week sale, then you may be disappointed because there will be no good offers on iPad 11th generation. Similarly, there will be no good discount on Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE Plus. If you want to know the best price of Tab S9 FE Plus, then you can buy this tablet at around 25,000 rupees maximum. Similarly, there will be no discounts on tablets like Samsung Galaxy Tab S9. During Amazon Great Indian Festival, Tab S9 was sold at a price point of 34,000 rupees and many people have bought this tablet. This is a very good tablet you can buy. So the best price of this tablet is 33 to 34,000 rupees. So you have to wait for the right sale. And if you want to buy this tablet, you will get best discounts on Amazon.in. Similarly, if you want to get discounts on iPad Air M3, in that case the best price is 42,000 rupees, but I think you will not get discounts on this iPad, so you have to wait till Christmas sale and the best price will be available on Amazon.in. If you have a tight budget of 10 to 13,000 rupees, in that case you can consider buying Oneplus Pad Lite. The best price for this tablet is 11,000 rupees and you can buy this tablet on Amazon.in or Flipkart.in, and don't buy this tablet above 11,000 price point. Similarly, if you are planning to buy Redmi Pad Pro Wi-Fi variant, in that case the best price would be 14,000 rupees, and if you want to buy the 5G variant, in that case for the 128GB the best price would be 18,000 rupees. Similarly, the best price of Xiaomi Pad 7 is around 19,000 to 20,000 rupees. So you have to wait till 7th November, that is tomorrow, to know about the best deals on tablets. I don't think you will get great discounts. I will make another video mentioning the best price of tablets and whether you can buy those tablets or not. If you have any question in your mind, you can ask me in the comment sections below. I will try to answer those questions to the best of my knowledge. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.